Camilo, your bag. Here's your bag. Here's your bag.
Go, baby. Come in. Thank you.
Sige po, may tao. Sa office na lang, ma'am.
Baby, you're back here. You like it? Well, but 4 years old, what? You'll be kinder one because you are 4 years old. Look at me, baby. Wow, you look like a whiz kid.
Can I go to the classroom?
You'll go to the classroom later.
Let's go.
Ah, that's teacher. Hello, say hello to teacher.
What's your name? What?
You talk loud.
Teacher, I'm here.
Hindi na lumalapit sa amin. Baby, you talk loud so that it's clear.
Okay naman, ma'am.
You did?
Okay naman.
Are you nervous? You're nervous? Why are you nervous? Are you shy? No? Where's your car? Baby, they ask you a lot inside. They ask you to get a ball? There's a lot of toys inside. Is it nice inside? It's warm. No aircon? Oh, because the school hasn't started yet. But if the school starts, the aircon will be on. What did she ask you there inside?
What is this color? Said get the ball.
Ah, what's that color and get the ball? And what else? What else?
And what is the color of the ball?
Of the ball. What else?
It is the color green.
Ah, the color green.
Yeah, but it